Here's how to transfer money from GCash to PayPal. Before we begin, it's important to know that GCash does not currently support direct transfers to PayPal. However, I'll show you how to link your PayPal account and explain the available options. First, open the GCash app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, go to My Linked Accounts section from the options. Here, select PayPal from the list. Then, tap on Link Accounts. You'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Sign into your PayPal account and confirm the linking process. Once your accounts are successfully linked, you'll be able to use the supported PayPal services within GCash. If your goal is to transfer money from PayPal to GCash, the process is simple. From the GCash home screen, tap Cash In. Then select Global Banks and Partners from here, and choose PayPal from the options. If your PayPal account is already linked, simply enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. However, if you want to send money from GCash to PayPal, there isn't a direct option available. Instead, you'll need to use a linked bank account as an intermediary. To do this, return to the GCash home screen and tap Bank Transfer or Transfer, depending on your app version. Next, select the bank account you want to use. You can use any supported bank that's linked to both your GCash and PayPal accounts. Enter your bank account details, including the account number and account name. Then complete the transfer from GCash to your bank account. Once the funds arrive in your bank account, open your bank's mobile app or online banking service and transfer the money from your bank account to your PayPal account. If your bank supports PayPal funding, at the moment, this is the most common workaround because GCash doesn't offer a direct feature to send money to PayPal. That's all for this video. Thanks!